Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vaseline Gluta Hya overnight for an easy method. First, let's prepare your skin for optimal absorption. Begin by thoroughly cleansing your face to remove any makeup, dirt, or impurities. Next, gently pat your skin dry, ensuring it is completely free of moisture. Finally, have your Vaseline Gluta Hya Serum Burst Lotion ready for application. This simple preparation ensures the product works its best. Now, let's move on to the easy application. Take a small, pea-sized amount of the Vaseline Gluta Hya lotion onto your clean fingertips. Gently and evenly massage the product across your entire face and down onto your neck. Use upward, circular motions to help with absorption. It's important to allow the lotion a few minutes to fully absorb into your skin before lying down, ensuring maximum benefit. To truly maximize the benefits, consistency is key. Apply this lotion every single night as the final step in your evening skincare routine. While you sleep, the powerful ingredients work to nourish and revitalize your skin. You will wake up to noticeably brighter, more hydrated, and beautifully glowing skin. Remember, a little goes a long way. Using too much can feel sticky. In the morning, gently rinse your face with lukewarm water to remove any residue. You will immediately feel the softness and see the radiance. Afterward, proceed with your regular daytime skincare routine, including your favorite cleanser, toner, and moisturizer. Remember, consistent nightly application over several weeks will yield the most impressive and lasting results for a truly luminous complexion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.